Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ocean wave using resin, and I'm going to use this serving tray. It's a wooden serving tray. I painted a little bit, just give myself a sort of a guideline to see the proportion of the sand and then the ocean. So you don't have to do it, and if you do it, it just just roughly. You don't have to be this one doesn't have to be blend super well, because when you use resin and when you're putting in the pigment and then the alcohol ink, this thing will be covered. So basically I'm just going to put in sand on this part, and then some sort of aqua color, and then when you go into the ocean, the color from the light gradually going to the deep. So I think I'm just going to the aqua color, and then turquoise, and then deep blue. So okay, let's start doing it. I have pre-made some resin, and I separate them to small cups so it's easy to work with. And first I'm going to use this one's too much. I'm going to pour out a little bit more. I just need a little bit of resin to mix with sand. I'm going to use white sand. That's the reason I painted the side, the sand area. Instead of sand color, I use like more bright color, so the color will come through a little bit. Because if I use the red sand, after everything's cured, the sand will look much darker. And because this is a serving tray, so I don't want everything look too dark. I want the color more bright, on the bright side. Okay, first I'm going to mix some white sand within the resin so it will stick on the tray. Okay. You don't want this you don't want to use too much resin, because if you use too much, it will kind of flow. You don't want to flow in, outside this area. That's my plan. So I want those inside this sand area. Looks like I'm going to need a little bit more. So let me just making a little bit more. Okay, it doesn't have to be like a perfect shape, because the sand and the wave will make the beach area, it's not perfect shape. So as long as it covers most area, that should be okay. Okay, I think I'm happy with this. So to make this whole project more interesting, I'm going to put in a couple shells, the real shells in there. Maybe here, I'm just randomly dropping in there. And this little one, let's put in here. Okay, and then there's one more here. Just randomly put in there. Let me think. Maybe I want, because the tree has the handle, I cannot make the element too big. Otherwise, you know, I have to use the resin cover them. Otherwise, this thing will be too close to the handle. So I'm just leave this couple, and then maybe a couple little pebbles here. It makes more natural look. Okay. Yeah, I think that's I think that's good enough. Yeah, the resin will glue them in there. So once it's cured, they should be stay. Okay, next step is making the ocean color. So I'm going to use this aqua color. I'm just going to put 4 drops there for now. Let's see how the color turned out. Okay. Oh, they're beautiful, but a little bit transparent. It's beautiful color. So what, you know, I'm going to do, I know Resin doesn't like acrylic paint, but I'm going to put 1 drop of acrylic paint to make the color semi-transparent. This is too transparent. So let's see. Hopefully it works out. Hopefully it doesn't give me any chunk. And most of the time when you're putting in acrylic ink paint, they will give you, they'll make some chunk in there. Okay, I think it looks good. Looks good. I like it. I like this color. And then the next color, we'll just see. Let me, since it looks okay, let me just use a couple drop of turquoise. Okay. All right. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let me put these 2 colors in first. Let's see how much I need for the darker one. So this is aqua color. It's okay to mix with a little bit, you know, darker color. You want them to blend in naturally, so that's why I just use the same stick to mix the color. Okay, I'm fine. All right, let me put in, this is a turquoise, 1. This is a 100mm cup, so I think I need another cup of darker blue to cover the whole thing. Okay, and let me mix the darker blue. Okay. Okay, I'm going to pour in the darker blue here, and then I'm going to blend them. I'm going to use the the blue dryer for now to blend those color, make them look natural. Okay. All right. Looks good. Okay, I think I'm going to use the heat gun. It's more powerful. Okay, now I'm going to blend those colors. Okay, I'm going to use I'm just going to mix them a little bit so make it more naturally blend in between the colors. Okay, pop some bubble. So next, I'm going to use some white color. In the white color, I'm going to put in a couple drops of alcohol ink to have the lacy effect. I'm just going to put this white color in between each layer of the different between the colors, but between the sand and the aqua, I'm going to pour in some of the clear ones. Okay, and then I'm going to pour the white. Okay, now I'm just use my heat gun. Okay, I'm just going to leave the way it is for now. Let them set to cure a little bit, and then I'm putting in the second layer of the white color to make a more wave. Okay. Okay. It has been setting for like a half hour. I'm just going to put in the second layer of the wave. This time I'm only putting in alcohol ink to make some lacy effect. Let's see when they cured, if hopefully they don't move too much. Sometimes when they cure, they move a lot. So let's see. Good morning. I'm checking my project. I'm very happy with it. It turned out looks pretty, and the sand color is what I imagined, because I painted yellow underneath the white sand, so the yellow came through a little bit and make this whole tree, make this area look so super clean. So the color, everything is perfect. I was planning to put another layer, but I think I don't need to. I just leave the way it is. I'm happy with it. And that's it for this project. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And your support is very appreciated. Thank you and see you next time.